Hi, welcome to Skyway Learners. Now let's move on to question number 2 of exercise number 8.4. Write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. That is, we have to write sine, cos, tan, cosecant and cot in terms of secant. First one, cos A is the reciprocal of secant A. So we have taken cos A is equal to 1 by secant A. This is the first one. We have to write sin A in terms of secant A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is one of our identity. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. That is, sin A is equal to root of 1 minus cos square A. That is, root of 1 minus cos is a reciprocal of secant. We need sine in terms of secant. So here also instead of cos A we are writing it as secant square A. Then taking LCM, root of in the denominator taking secant square A. Numerator it will become secant square A minus 1. So is equal to root of secant square A minus 1 by root secant square A will become secant A. This is sin A. Tan A in terms of secant A. Tan A in terms of secant A. We know that using identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Therefore, we can write tan square A as secant square A minus 1. That is, tan A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1. We have written tan A in terms of secant A. Then cosecant A. This is third one. Now fourth. Cosecant A in terms of secant. Cosecant A is a reciprocal of 1 by sin A. We already written that sin A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1 by secant A. Therefore, reciprocal of 1 by sin A will become secant A divided by root of secant square A minus 1. Cot A. We know that cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. 1 by secant. As cos is a reciprocal of secant. And sin A, already we have found that sin A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1 by secant A. So is equal to 1 by secant A into secant A by root of secant square A minus 1. Secant A get cancelled. The answer will become 1 by root of secant square A minus 1. This is for cot A. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please do write to us. Thank you.